Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous class, I have discussed all about the basics of Power BI. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the Power Query Editor. First, what is the Power Query Editor? Power Query Editor means here, it is a ETL tool. ETL tool means extraction, transformation and loading. So whatever data we are extracting the data from the multiple sources, that all the data will be clean into the Power Query Editor by using the transformations like append queries, merge queries, group by functions and use row first has adder. These and all transformations by using the data will clean. So that is about the Power Query Editor. First, what we need to do here, first we can take the data. We can take the data here. In desktop, it is there. Superstore Excel, we can import the data first. Here, sample Superstore Excel, it is there, right? So we can take that one. It is open one pop-up menu. So in this Superstore Excel, we have three types tables. It was the orders table, people's table, and the returns table. This orders and filter database, that is duplicate. So no need to select that one. Just check on that one. And here see these columns and everything. Uh, we have it is down, so we need to top it here. So for that one, we can go to the transformation of data. Click on transformation. It will go to the Power Query Editor. So here first in orders table, all the row headings, everything, it is top only. So no need to do any cleaning for that table. So second table, it is the person and region. It is came to down. So we need to do some transformation here. So here use first row as header. See here it is there. So it came to up. Same like returns table also, same we need to do. Use first row as header. So after that, we can close and apply. So it is all the data can be imported into the Power BI. Now what we can do, I can teach transformation part like Power Query Editor one by one, all the options. Here in this transformation, Power Query Editor, all see home tab, transform tab, add column tab, everything it is there. One by one, I will teach you. First option here, close and apply. Close and apply means here three it is there, close and apply, close. First, to close and apply means whatever changes we have done here, Power Query Editor, that changes will be applied and it will be closed this pop-up menu. For example, see here row ID, right? Here row ID 1. Just for assumption, just ID 1. So here what we need to do, home tab, and in that row ID place, I entered like row ID 1. So here if you click on this one, close and apply, it will, that change, it will be applied and it will go to the here, Power BI. So see what I have done here. See row ID 1, it came. So like that, if we go to the transform data, that is called close and apply button. If apply means here only that change, it will be applied and it will be like, see apply, it will be changed, it will be applied and it will that sheet, it will be here only. So that is called applied. And close means everything it will be closed. So that is called close. Here next, new source means what is the new source here? Here we are extracting the data from the multiple sources. So that is called new source. See, for example, Excel workbook, SQL server, analysis services, text CSV, web files, and blank for everything it is. Everything it is there. We are extracting the data from the multiple sources. That is called new sources. Recent sources means here. See, I have imported the data from the sample superstore previous. So that only it will be show previous again before yesterday I have imported region, so that all recently what we are imported the data, that all it will be show. Recent sources means here enter data means here see we can we can enter manually the data entered manually. See, for example, here students list, students list and age. Here column 1 I need to put students list and age. Here the name like Rama, age 25, Ramu, age 22, third name Sita, age 23. So we need to enter manually. The data will be entered manually. That is called, the data will be entered manually. Then click on OK. Click on OK. So here it will be create one table. Table name like we can rename here. Just students table. STU students table. Okay. Here it is not changing. So here if you change the data here, it will not be changed here. So we can go to here source table. Here we need to change the data. See, for example, if you want to edit that age like 24. So here we need to change. Here we can't able to change here. So that is called that is called enter data. Enter data means we need to enter manually. The data will be entered manually. Next, data source settings. Data source settings means here, see, here uh, we can import data from the here desktop sample store sample superstore Excel where it is there in desktop. So everything it will be show in that superstore Excel, any connection issues, anything it is there. So here we need to remove. See, clear all permissions. If anything, any issues, it will be there. We can go to the clear permissions and we can click on all permissions and delete. So here anything, nothing issues it is there. So it is perfectly. So that is why it is showing like this. That is called data source settings. And next, manage parameters. Manage parameters means it is filter the data. If for example in our country so many states it is there, so state wise information if you want, so like that it will be show. So filter the data by using manage parameter. Example I am showing new parameter. In the by using manage parameters we can create the parameters and we can edit the parameters and like that. So for example, I'm creating here parameters like region. Description, no need. It is optional. It is region, it is a text. So that is why I selected text here. So here, any value, list of values, query, it is there. Three options. Any value means only single value it will come. List of values means so many multiple values we can enter. I can show you multiple values, a list of values. See, in region, we have west data, east data. It is the central data, it is there. East data. I can type only 2 here. If you want here 3, for example, central also you can enter. Next, default value, which one I have to give? West I'm giving. Current value, you can select any west also, you can select it. Then click on OK. Next, go to orders table. Here, region it is there. Text filters equals. And here parameter we have applied, right? One parameters. Click on parameters, click on OK. And here close and apply. Whatever changes we have done, parameters we have created, right? Everything it will be applied. And for example, I am taking here pie chart. Pie chart, region I can select. And sales information. If you want region wise sales information, click on okay, sales. Okay, here it is showing only west because I applied there only west region. I have applied 3 regions, west, east and central, but default value I have taken only west. So here you can go to here, home tab. Here, edit parameters. So click on that one. If you click on here, east and okay, here it will be show east. So like that, that data it will be show. And if you want to here edit parameters, central, if you want central data, so click on that central and apply changes. It will show central data. Whatever data we want, we can show here like this. So for that purpose, we can use edit parameters. We can filter the data. Which state we want, which region we want, we can show like this. So this is the way we can do. And next. Next, refresh preview. Refresh preview means in data source, any connection issues it is there. So for example, I told you, right, in data source settings. Here refresh preview means here we are importing the data in that any connection issues it will be there. So that time we can here clear it way, clear all permissions, and if you click on refresh preview, so it will replicate, it will come everything perfectly. So that is called refresh. For that purpose, we can use this option refresh preview. See refresh preview. Click and click any error it will be there here. So it will be refresh the data and it will become. So next properties. Properties I already told you here already properties all the properties it will come. So next advanced editor. Advanced editor. See here right side when we are preparing the report, whatever steps we are following, all the steps will be recorded and will be recorded into the advanced editor option. So see here all the records, all the queries it will be recorded, it will be show. See first here steps like change type. I have changed right that headings and all renamed columns, that all the steps will be recorded into the advanced editor option. Advanced editor means it is a mashup language. All the steps will be recorded, everything it will be here only. So that is called advanced editor. Next manage here Manage means here delete, duplicate, reference, it will be there. Here delete means it will be deleted. Here particular column, it will be deleted. Delete duplicate. Here, see, for example, here we have 4 tables: orders table, people's table, returns table. Here, for example, I am showing. Oh. Here, see, delete means it will delete that this table. Here, duplicate means it will again, it will show. Another duplicate table, it will be show. And reference table also, I will show you. Example, I am showing. Reference table. See, here, orders table, I can take duplicate. Just I mentioned like duplicate orders table. Orders duplicate, I will mention. People's table, I took as like reference table. Reference. Okay. Here, what is the difference means duplicate table and reference table. Duplicate means original. If you delete the original table data, duplicate data, it will not be deleted. That is called duplicate table. Reference table. If you delete any information in original table, reference table, in that reference table also that information it will be deleted. See, orders table duplicate, right? I will delete something. For example, row ID, I will be delete here. I will remove it here. Row ID first one. Orders table. So in orders, it is duplicate, right? It will not be deleted. In people's table, I will delete. I will add something west. Yeah, okay. I will add region information. See, in reference table, see, it will be added. So duplicate table means in original table, whatever we can add, it will not reflected into the duplicate table. But reference table, it will be reflected. That is called duplicate and reference tables. That is called duplicates and reference tables. So, okay. I will delete this and all. Okay. Next. Next to choose columns. Choose columns. See, choose columns means here this I have selected row ID 1 column, right? Choose column means, see, for example, row ID 1. I have selected these columns. Remaining everything it will be deleted and only this column will be asterisk, it will be there. That is called choose column. Go to column means it is like search. For example, order ID, you can select that one. If you click on OK, only order ID, it will be highlighted. That is called go to column. Remove columns. Remove columns means here remove columns means that selected columns will be removed. Remove other columns means instead of selected column, remaining all it will be deleted. See, remove column means I have selected this column, right? That column it will be removed and everything remaining it will be there like that only. Remove other column means instead of this select column, remove other columns means all the things it will be removed and only this column it will be there. That is called selected. That is called remove other columns. Okay, that's it friends today.